Hello everyone, Amit Ohra from EcoVisioner. Continuing with my most expected question series in Political Science Class 12. Today I have book 2 for you. In this video, I'll be covering challenges of nation building and planned development. Of course, challenges of nation building ज़्यादा important है. ये दोनों chapters मिला के 8 marks के हैं and we are expecting 6 marks from challenges and only 2 marks from planned development. So let us start with the important topics to be covered. The first question to be covered or topic to be covered are three major challenges which India faced immediately after independence. ऐसे तीन major challenges कौन से इंडिया ने फेस किए थे immediately after independence. Second, princely states के बारे में क्वेश्चन आने के बहुत चांसेस हैं. So we talk about problems linked to integration of princely states, especially हैदराबाद, मणिपुर. इस पे क्वेश्चन हमारे को we are expecting. Third, consequences of partition of India. What were the results, consequences of partition of India? Coming to a very important question, role of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India, especially the role in integrating these princely states into India. Then we come to the last very important topic which we are expecting in the chapter 1, linguistic reorganization of states, SRC and its recommendations. तो यहाँ पे हम बात करते हैं कि इस टॉपिक के अंदर से we are also looking at a map work. So इस चैप्टर में से मैप वर्क आने के भी बहुत चांसेस हैं. कब कौन सी स्टेट फॉर्म हुई थी, अंडर व्हाट फर्स्ट स्टेट, आंध्रा लिंग्विस्टिक बेसिस पे, आंध्र प्रदेश, तेलंगाना, और यू कैन रिसेंटली आपको जम्मू कश्मीर को इनटू टू यूनियन टेरिटरीज. सो ऐसे मैप वर्क भी यहाँ से एक्सपेक्टेड है. Coming to second chapter, which is relatively easy, so we are not expecting much of detailed questions from or long questions from this chapter. So we are looking at discontinuation of planning commission. Why was it discontinued? और क्यों बनाया गया था नीति आयोग? नीति आयोग के पर्पस एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. आपको इसके स्ट्रक्चर के लिए भी, आपको इसके जो जैसे जब फॉर्मेशन हुई थी उसका ईयर, आपको वो सब चीजें 1 मार्कर्स के लिए याद करनी है. एंड थर्ड, ऑफ कोर्स, नीति आयोग्स structure. That is very, very important. We are not looking at anything else from this unit. So totally the unit, the two chapters you can say are of 8 marks. We are expecting more from challenges and very less from planned development. And students, if you want to practice some political science tests or you want to download some study material, go to our EcoVisioner app. Up you can test yourself. आपको वहाँ पे MCQ based test मिल जाएंगे. And teachers, for any doubt or query or for the registration of Olympiad, you can speak to me on 9891203546. Thank you, students. All the best for your exams.